Have you ever thought about making extra money from your creativity? Ever considered selling printables? Welcome to the fascinating world of printables, where your imagination can take physical form and generate income. Selling printables is a unique and profitable side hustle, allowing you to monetize your creativity and make a potentially lucrative business out of it. The beauty of selling printables lies in its simplicity. It's a business that can be started with minimal investment, and yet the returns can be substantial. Whether you're a graphic designer looking to share your art, a teacher with useful educational resources, or simply someone with an idea that can be put to paper, selling printables can be the perfect avenue to explore your entrepreneurial spirit. The possibilities are endless, and the best part is, you're in control. So, if you're ready to channel your creativity into a profitable venture, stick around if you want to learn how to start your own printable selling business. Before we dive into the process, let's first understand what printables are. Printables are digital files that can be downloaded and printed out at home or a local print shop. They come in a vast array of formats, each designed to serve a unique purpose. Imagine a beautifully designed planner, a colorful calendar, or an inspiring wall art piece. All these can be printables. Worksheets for learning, recipe cards for cooking enthusiasts, or even greeting cards for special occasions. The list of possibilities is endless. Printables cater to various needs and interests, making them popular among a wide range of people. They're versatile, customizable, and most importantly, instantly accessible. You can create a printable for practically any purpose you can think of. Now that we know what printables are, they offer a world of opportunities, don't they? So, let's explore how to create them. Creating printables can be fun and easy with the right tools. Let's dive right into the world of making printables, shall we? Firstly, you'll need a design tool. There are several options out there, but two of the most popular ones are Canva and Adobe Illustrator. Canva is a user-friendly platform that offers a wide range of templates and designs, perfect for beginners. It's as simple as choosing a template, customizing it with your choice of colors, fonts, and graphics, and voila! You have your printable. On the other hand, Adobe Illustrator is a more advanced tool, ideal for those with a knack for graphic design. It offers more flexibility and control over your designs. With Illustrator, you can create anything from simple text-based designs to intricate illustrations. Remember, the key is to create designs that are both attractive and functional. But these are not your only options. There are other tools like PicMonkey, GIMP, and even Microsoft Word or PowerPoint. They all have their strengths and weaknesses. So it's all about finding the tool that best suits your needs and skill level. Once you've chosen your tool, it's time to start designing. Consider who your target audience is and what they would find valuable. Are they busy moms looking for meal planning sheets? Or perhaps entrepreneurs in need of business planners? The possibilities are endless. Remember, your printables should not only be visually appealing, but also easy to use. Keep your designs clean and organized. Make sure the text is readable and the colors are not too overwhelming. A well-designed printable is not just about beauty, but also about functionality. Also, don't forget to save your work in a printable format, usually a PDF file. This ensures that your design will look exactly the same when printed, regardless of the device or printer used. And there you have it. With a bit of creativity and the right tools, you can create printables that are not only beautiful but also useful. So what are you waiting for? Start designing and let your creativity shine. With your printables ready, it's time to sell them. There are several online platforms where you can sell your printables. Now that we've established what printables are and how to create them, let's delve into the various marketplaces where you can showcase your creativity and earn some extra cash. First up is Etsy. As a hub for all things handmade and vintage, Etsy is a fantastic place to start. It has a built-in customer base who are already looking for unique and personalized items. The only downside? There's a small listing fee per item and a transaction fee when your item sells. But don't worry, setting up a shop is straightforward, and Etsy provides helpful resources to get you started. Next, we have Amazon. Yes, the giant of online retail also has a space for printables in its handmade section. The advantage of Amazon is its vast customer base. However, it's not as niche as Etsy, so your printables might not stand out as much. Also, becoming a seller on Amazon requires passing an application process, but once you're in, you're exposed to millions of potential customers. Now, if you're tech-savvy and want full control over your business, consider setting up your own website. This way, you can create a brand, set your own prices, and keep all of the profits. However, the downside is you'll need to invest time in SEO and marketing to drive traffic to your site. Plus, there are costs associated with website hosting and maintenance. Finally, there are digital marketplace platforms like Creative Market and Design Bundles, specifically tailored for selling digital products. These platforms give you access to a targeted audience, but they also take a cut of your sales. Each platform has its own pros and cons, and the best one for you depends on your specific needs and resources. Do your research, weigh your options, and remember, you're not limited to just one platform. You can experiment with multiple platforms to see what works best for you. Choosing the right platform is crucial for your business. Once you've chosen your platform, it's time to market your printables. And that's what we'll be diving into in our next segment, so tune in and let's turn your side hustle into a thriving business. Marketing is key to the success of your printable business. And here's why. You could have the most stunning printables in the world, but if no one knows about them, they won't sell. That's where marketing comes in. It's all about getting your products in front of the right people. Let's start with social media marketing. Platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook are your best friends here. Instagram is perfect for showcasing your printables in a visually appealing way, while Pinterest is a goldmine for driving traffic to your online store. On Facebook, consider creating a business page or even a group where you can engage with potential customers. Remember, social media isn't just about selling. It's about building relationships, engaging with your audience, and creating a community around your brand. Next up is email marketing. This might sound old-fashioned in our world of social media, but don't underestimate its power. By building an email list, you're creating a direct line of communication with your customers. You can send them updates, new product releases, and even exclusive discounts. It's all about nurturing relationships and creating loyal customers. Now let's talk about SEO or search engine optimization. This is all about making your printables easy to find on search engines like Google. You can optimize your product listings with relevant keywords, create blog content around your printables, or even use paid advertising to boost your visibility. It's a bit technical, but with some research and practice, you can definitely master it. Lastly, consider collaborations. Partner with other creatives or influencers in your niche. This can increase your exposure and introduce your printables to new audiences. Whether it's a joint product launch, a giveaway, or a simple shout-out, collaborations can be incredibly beneficial. And there you have it. From social media to email, SEO, and collaborations, these marketing strategies can help you reach your target audience and increase sales. Remember, marketing is not a one-size-fits-all. Experiment, learn, and adjust your strategy as you go. With effective marketing, your printables will reach the right audience, increasing your chances of making sales. Selling printables is a fantastic way to earn extra money and unleash your creativity. Over the course of this video, we've taken a deep dive into this exciting world, and I hope you're feeling as inspired as I am. Let's quickly recap what we've learned. First, we explored what printables are. They're digital files that customers can purchase, download, and print at home. These can range from wall art to planners to educational worksheets and so much more. The possibilities are truly endless and limited only by your imagination. Next, we discussed how to create these printables. Remember, you don't need to be a professional graphic designer to start. There are numerous tools available online, many of them free, that can help you design high-quality, attractive printables. It's all about experimenting, learning, and most importantly, having fun during the process. We then moved on to exploring where to sell your printables. There are many platforms available, each with its unique advantages. Whether it's Etsy, Shopify, or your very own website, the key is to choose a platform that aligns with your target audience and business goals. And finally, we delved into the crucial aspect of marketing your printables. It's not enough to create beautiful printables, you need to get them in front of the right eyes. From SEO optimization to social media promotion, there are multiple strategies to increase your visibility and boost your sales. In conclusion, selling printables is more than just a way to make extra money. It's a journey of creativity, learning, and personal growth. It's about turning your passion into a profitable business and making a difference in people's lives, one printable at a time. With creativity, the right tools, and effective marketing, you can start your own successful printable selling business. So, why wait? Start today!